Hi, I'm Joe Noga with Cleveland.com, and I am here with Cameron Goodrick, our Girls Swimming and Diving Diver of the Year for 2015. Cameron, congratulations. You were second in Division II in the state diving competition. Tell us what it was like standing up on the podium after having won that, won that position in the competition.
It was awesome. I had the butterflies in my stomach. The big smile on my face kind of showed it all. I think what made it the most memorable and just made me feel the best about it was I put in so much hard work and dedication into this, and I just wanted it more than anything. And just to be able to say that it actually happened, it was just it was the best feeling.
Now, Cameron's got a really interesting story. I don't know if some people might know. It was really your first year of competitive diving. You were a gymnast before this, right?
Yeah, I did gymnastics for about 10 years, and then I got a severe injury to my elbow. Mm-hmm. And I had to get surgery for it, and that took me out of gymnastics. So
they drilled something like 6 holes in your elbow?
Yeah, they drilled it through my bone marrow to try and stimulate the blood flow.
Now, you've probably been asked a dozen times about how being a gymnast has helped you as a diver. What's something that you weren't expecting in diving when you got into sort of the elite level of competition that gymnastics didn't prepare you for?
Going in on my head. You're always taught to, land on your feet, landing on your head's bad, and then it just switched around, and you're like, no, you're supposed to land on your head now, so just do that instead. It was weird. Going into the final round of dives at the state competition, you were in third place. You were able to move up and grab that second place finish. You saved some of your more difficult dives for the end there, right? Yeah, my coach has this philosophy where you put your hardest dives towards the end, but you put certain dives that'll make it so that you'll get through all the rounds. Because that way you're kept on your toes. You have to try extra hard. You're not like saying you're in second or first already and then you just start slacking off. He has it where you're just you need to work for it throughout the entire event.
So you're also, in talking to you and your parents, a real competitor here. You're also going to run track this spring?
Yeah, I'm doing track. I'm not sure what events I'm doing yet, but I'll definitely be a sprinter, and I'll be pole vaulting.
Yeah, I was going to say, there's a little interest in the pole vault. This time you're going up instead of coming down, right?
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
As far as looking towards the future, only a freshman, diver of the year here. How much more, hungry? How much does this make you, want more in your diving career?
It's just a burning passion now. Like before, I wanted it like crazy, and I didn't think it was possible to want it any more than I already did. But after feeling the way I did, and just feeling so good about myself, and seeing how far I guess I've progressed since the beginning of the season, I want it 10 times more. It's such a burning passion now.
Well, there you have it. Cameron Goodrick, our Girls Diver of the Year. Look for more here on Cleveland.com.